Solutions is to hide the safe for jewelry or any valuables inside the makeup desk. It can be controlled through the smartphone app and is also a great solution for saving corner space. Creep panel, a hidden room, will reveal. What a creative idea! It looks like a regular room with drop-down bunk beds, but if you take a good look, it's a hidden door that leads to a secret safe. But you might ask, what's behind this big safe door? It's a whole other room with yet another safe inside. We could say that this place is super safe. With customizable interior storage, it creates additional storage for your home to store or hide your stuff. The perfect solution for tight spaces. The already existing four-wheel containers can be elegantly stored in a hydraulically driven underground lift system and emptied with a conventional waste collection vehicle. Allows you to access your basement garage to park or hide your car. It uses hydraulic electric technology for that purpose. It is also an ideal solution to make the best out of your outdoor space. Hides your secret valuables from thieves. To access your hidden items, you must twist, rotate, and move some parts like a puzzle.